time, you can check your iPhone. Better say it's our time. I don't even need a watch. I don't even see a clock. Soon as I walk in, it feel like me o'clock. Yeah, me o'clock. Every time my checks don't measure up and try to blame the I'ma do it bigger than a 5X. Can't ride with it, so I don't drive Lex. Game so bickery, so full of trickery. Nursery, rhyming, hickory, dickory. That the hood call it pickery. Biggie, Puffy, Buster, Victory. Then I put the time in. Money ain't everything, it's more about the timing. So I got the Audemars, flawless diamonds. In other words, that's called perfect timing. I feel like a favor, I feel like a savior. They clock in my neck, I feel like I'm flavor. I go so hard, low so damn street. Fit it in it.
1, 2, all less low so we do it like hey. With me now. This next selection.
Same, different day, just ride through the city looking pretty as the usual. This what I do. It's the same old thing, got the name on the chain just to let them know who's who. You ain't know so. And they know I'm over here, so they come and find me right after they lose. What took y'all so long? For you, in a way we can let the say. Excuse you, on you lame. At the end of the day, we just tryna find a way, and I might be a come up. Baby, you can hit your ride, but you gotta know how to do more than keep a thumb up. It's so incredible that it ain't edible, but they know the cake's real. Yo, I couldn't even say, ask these other silicone